What's going on, beautiful people? D'Lo Brands back for another video, and today we are going to be touching on a new Manus feature called the Agent. You can claim your agent now in Telegram. It has its own identity, persistent memory, and a computer, custom skills, and it works in your favorite messenger. And they have other messengers coming soon, but for right now, they just have Telegram. So let's explore how to set this up, how to get it on Telegram, and it's really simple. You continue in Telegram, it'll open the app, and it has this universal Manus AI agent bot. You will then have this Telegram window come up either on your phone or your computer. Go ahead and click start. Then you will be prompted to link your Manus account. Very easy. Much easier than something called OpenClaw, but we're not going to touch on that. So now that your account is linked, you are ready to use your Manus agent inside of Telegram, and it basically allows you to text it. And it's the same workflow as inside of Manus. You can get presentations, files, images, every single thing. It's just this is a new agent that doesn't necessarily have all of your memory. So you're going to give it new memory. And right in here, I'm typing my name, his name, or the AI's name, and the tone. And I want it to be like a 75-year-old helpful butler, because I've always liked the idea of Alfred. So I like how it's talking at your service as always. I like the sound of that. So it definitely has the tone, and now it's ready to work. So we're going to give it an example. And the example I have prepared today is actually a date night. So Valentine's Day just passed and a lot of people are going on dates. So let's see if Manus inside of our Telegram can go out and create a whole entire date night for you. So I think that this is a really cool use case because a lot of people are, raving about the security concerns in OpenClaw. And of course, this isn't as customizable as OpenClaw, but it's just as useful in terms of, controlling your computer, going out to do stuff. Manus is still a very powerful. I would say Manus is the next best thing compared to OpenClaw. And so it sends me this message back. It says, "Splendid. We have this, that, and the third. I'll prepare this, and it'll be 3 to 5 minutes," which a lot of people may say, okay, that's a long time. But just think about it. When you're texting somebody, are you really, texting them every second? And this is one thing that I wanted to touch on here. Your credits in Manus will be drained because of this. I don't mean drained like they're just being used up so fast, but this is linked to your Manus account. So keep that in mind. We're seeing my credits go down in real time right here. So it then came back after that time and got this whole entire plan for us. Dinner at an Italian spot. It had something that's fun at Pont City Market, and then it had something at a cocktail lounge called Vesper. And it even gave me this whole entire document so that I can see it even more cleanly if a text message interface isn't clean enough. But I found this to be very useful. Let me know what you guys try with this. I think that if you are a person that uses Telegram a lot, then you'll find a lot of use out of this. But me personally, I use iMessage. So once it gets to iMessage, I'll definitely be using it much more. But I think that Manus, it has a lot of the features that you need, but OpenClaw does provide just that raw customization. But nevertheless, I think it's a great addition. Let me know what you guys think. This has been D'Lo Brands, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.